What happens next will shock you. Stay until the end. Today on SG Recap Studios, we break down GOAT_2026. Every twist, every shock, every secret, fully explained. Let's go. Witness jaw-dropping plot twists ahead. Welcome to our Movie Explainer, where we dive into the wild and action-packed world of this sports-themed film. The movie opens on a traditional wedding ceremony. But this is no ordinary wedding. The atmosphere is tense, with the groom's family making demands that must be met before the marriage can be considered complete. The chanting of "Roo Sup Wai, Roo Sup Wai, Roo Sup Wai" sets the tone for a film that's full of energy and unpredictability. As we watch the scene unfold, we're introduced to a world where traditions and expectations are being challenged, and the stakes are high. But before we can fully understand the significance of this wedding, the scene cuts away to a completely different location, leaving us wondering what's to come. As we transition to the next scene, we're introduced to a young boy named Leo, who's being taken to a basketball game by his mom. The contrast between the intense wedding ceremony and the excitement of the basketball game is striking. And we're left wondering how these two storylines will intersect. The atmosphere at the stadium is electric, with people cheering and chanting, and we can't help but feel the energy and excitement of the crowd. But what does this have to do with the wedding ceremony we just saw? And how will these two storylines come together as the movie progresses? The use of quick cuts and juxtaposition of different scenes is a clever technique used by the filmmakers to keep us on our toes and invested in the story. By introducing multiple plot threads and characters, the movie creates a sense of complexity and depth, drawing us in and making us want to know more. As we continue to watch, we're introduced to a range of characters, each with their own unique personalities and motivations. From the aggressive groom's family to the determined young athletes, every character adds to the rich tapestry of the film, and we can't wait to see how their stories unfold. The opening scene sets the tone for a movie that's all about perseverance, determination, and overcoming adversity. Whether it's the groom's family fighting for their traditions or the young athletes pushing themselves to be their best, every character is on a journey of self-discovery and growth. As we watch the movie, we're invited to join them on this journey, to cheer them on and to learn from their experiences. So let's dive in and see where this wild and exciting ride takes us. As the movie progresses, we're introduced to a range of characters who will drive the plot forward. We meet Will, a bit of a troublemaker who's always joking around with his friends. We also see Jeff Fillmore, an intense and dedicated athlete who's pushing himself to his limits. And then there's Theo, a small but determined young player who's eager to prove himself on the basketball court. Each of these characters brings their own unique energy to the film, and we can't help but be drawn in by their personalities and motivations. Whether it's Will's quick wit or Jeff's intense focus, every character is relatable and engaging, and we find ourselves rooting for them from the start. As we get to know the characters, we start to see how they intersect and overlap. We see Will and his friends cheering on their favorite team, the Thorns, and we watch as Jeff and Theo push themselves to be their best on the court. The characters, interactions and relationships add depth and complexity to the film, and we start to see how they'll work together to overcome the challenges that lie ahead. The movie's use of character development is masterful, creating a sense of camaraderie and shared purpose that draws us in and makes us invested in the story. The introduction of the characters also raises questions about the themes of the movie. What does it mean to be a team player? How do we overcome adversity and achieve our goals? The characters, experiences, and struggles offer insights into these questions, and we start to see how the movie will explore these themes in more depth. As we continue to watch, we are invited to reflect on our own experiences and challenges, and to consider how we can apply the lessons of the movie to our own lives. The pacing of the movie is fast and engaging, with quick cuts and snappy dialogue that keeps us on the edge of our seats. The filmmakers use a range of techniques to create a sense of energy and excitement. From the cheering crowds to the intense sports sequences, every moment is packed with action and emotion, and we're never bored or disconnected from the story. As we watch, we're fully immersed in the world of the movie, and we can't wait to see what happens next. As the basketball game heats up, the atmosphere in the room becomes more intense. The clock is ticking down, and the players are giving it their all. The tension builds as the score is tied, and the crowd is on the edge of their seats. But in the end, the game is a blowout, with one team dominating the other. The outcome may be predictable, but the excitement and energy of the scene are undeniable. We're swept up in the moment, cheering on the players and feeling the rush of adrenaline as they compete. The scene then shifts to a young boy named Chris, who's trying to sneak onto the basketball court to play, despite being met with resistance from the other players. Chris is determined to prove himself and show off his skills. His determination and perseverance are inspiring, and we can't help but root for him as he faces off against the other players. The introduction of Chris adds a new layer to the story, and we start to see how his experiences will intersect with those of the other characters. The movie's use of sports as a metaphor for life is a powerful one. The challenges and obstacles that the characters face on the court are reflective of the challenges we face in our own lives, and the lessons they learn about perseverance and teamwork are ones that we can apply to our own experiences. As we watch, we are invited to reflect on our own struggles and triumphs, and to consider how we can use the lessons of the movie to overcome our own challenges. The action sequences in the movie are fast-paced and exhilarating, with a focus on the thrill of competition and the rush of adrenaline that comes with it. The filmmakers use a range of techniques to create a sense of excitement and energy. From the quick cuts and snappy dialogue to the pounding music and cheering crowds, every moment is packed with action and emotion, and we're never bored or disconnected from the story. As we watch, we're fully immersed in the world of the movie, and we can't wait to see what happens next. The scene then shifts to a luxurious dressing room, where a small, excited goat named Will is getting ready for a press conference. His agent or publicist is standing next to him, adjusting his jersey and giving him last-minute advice. The press conference is chaotic, with reporters shouting out questions and trying to get Will's attention. The scene is humorous and light-hearted, with Will's antics and the reporters' reactions providing plenty of comedic moments. As the press conference continues, we see a glimpse of the Raw Ball Stadium, where a game is about to begin. The stadium is packed with fans, all cheering and waving signs. The commentators introduce the game, highlighting the unique challenges of the sport, including sandstorms, cliffs, ice, fire, and winds. The scene is action-packed and exciting, with a focus on the thrill of competition and the rush of adrenaline that comes with it. The introduction of the Raw Ball Stadium and the game that's about to begin adds a new layer to the story, and we start to see how the different plot threads will come together. The movie's use of suspense and anticipation is masterful, creating a sense of excitement and energy that draws us in and keeps us invested in the story. As we watch, we're on the edge of our seats, waiting to see what will happen next and how the characters will overcome the challenges that lie ahead. The press conference scene also offers insights into Will's character and personality. Despite being a small goat, Will is confident and charismatic, and he's clearly a fan favorite. His interactions with the reporters and his agent or publicist are revealing, and we start to see how his experiences will shape the rest of the story. As we continue to watch, we are invited to reflect on our own experiences and challenges, and to consider how we can apply the lessons of the movie to our own lives. As the game begins, the camera follows the action, showing the players running, jumping, and competing in the challenging environment. Despite being small, Will is determined to prove himself and make a name for himself in the sport. The scene is action-packed and exciting, with a focus on the thrill of competition and the rush of adrenaline that comes with it. As the game heats up, the stakes become higher, and the tension builds. The outcome is far from certain, and we're on the edge of our seats, waiting to see what will happen next. The movie's use of suspense and anticipation is masterful, creating a sense of excitement and energy that draws us in and keeps us invested in the story. In the end, the movie is a thrilling and inspiring ride, with a focus on perseverance, determination, and overcoming adversity. The characters, experiences, and struggles offer insights into these themes, and we are invited to reflect on our own experiences and challenges. As we watch the final showdown, we're fully immersed in the world of the movie, and we're cheering on the characters as they give it their all. The final scene is a satisfying conclusion to the story, with a focus on the characters, triumphs, and achievements. The movie's use of closure and resolution is masterful, creating a sense of completion and finality that leaves us feeling satisfied and fulfilled. As the credits roll, we're left thinking about the movie and its themes, and we're inspired to apply the lessons we've learned to our own lives. The movie is a wild and exciting ride, and we're grateful to have been along for the journey. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. That's the full breakdown of GOAT_2026. If you enjoyed this recap, smash that like button right now. It really helps the channel. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new movie explained every single week. Check out our other videos for more jaw-dropping recaps. See you in the next one.